Hey, folks! Today, we're diving into the world of multi-tools for electricians. I've narrowed down the top 3 picks that can make your job a whole lot easier. Stick around to explore these handy tools, and don't forget to check out today's prices through the links in the description. Let's get started. 1. Leverman Super Tool 300. The Leverman Super Tool 300 has elicited a range of responses from users. While some praise its robust construction and versatile tool selection, others express disappointment, particularly regarding the wire cutters. The tool's overall build quality is commended, with users highlighting its durability in various tasks, from camping to farm work. However, issues with rust and stiffness in the joints, particularly on the black version, are mentioned. The replaceable wire cutters receive mixed reviews, with some users finding them prone to breaking and advocating for third-party alternatives. The 420 HC steel construction of the internal tools is generally well received, with users dismissing criticisms from steel enthusiasts. The presence of excessive oil upon purchase is noted, requiring a thorough cleaning. Despite some concerns, many users appreciate the Super Tool 300's functionality, citing its usefulness in everyday situations and as a reliable companion for outdoor activities. The absence of a belt clip is a drawback for some, while others express frustration over the lack of a leather case, as earlier models included. Overall, opinions on the Leverman Super Tool 300 are varied, reflecting a mix of satisfaction with its performance and disappointment in specific features. 2. Milwaukee Wire Strippers. The product in question has received a mix of reviews, with both positive and negative experiences shared by users. While some praise its slick, sharp, and durable performance, describing it as their new favorite wire stripper, others express disappointment in its build quality. Complaints range from the tool snapping in half upon minimal use to blades breaking or bending, raising concerns about the product's longevity and durability. On the positive side, electricians in various fields find the tool comfortable, sturdy, and essential for their tasks. The inclusion of plier tips is particularly appreciated for tasks like twisting wires. However, the negative reviews highlight issues such as a cracked head, occasional jacket sticking, and doubts about its heavy-duty nature, especially given its price point. Despite some criticism, there are those who see value in the product. Users appreciate its ergonomic design, sharp cutting ability, and the convenience of a slimmer nose for versatile use. The absence of a turmo crimper may be a drawback for some, but others find it a well-built, sturdy tool for cutting and stripping wires. Ultimately, opinions on this product vary, with some users praising its durability and others expressing concerns about its build quality and potential for breakage. 3. Leverman Wave Plus. Leatherman enthusiasts rejoice as the Leatherman Wave Plus continues to impress with its versatile features and high-quality build. Whether it's extracting cactus spines from a paw or serving as a reliable daily companion for various tasks, this multi-tool consistently delivers. Users appreciate its sturdiness and practicality, with standout features like a sharp knife and a convenient hidden lanyard loop under the saw. However, not all experiences are flawless. Some users encountered issues with stiffness and difficulty in tool retrieval, while one mentioned disappointment in the plier smoothness. The carrying case also drew mixed reviews, with some finding it cumbersome on larger belts and opting for additional purchases. Despite occasional hiccups, the Leverman Wave Plus stands out as a favorite among longtime Leverman enthusiasts, spanning over 30 years of loyalty. Its utility in diverse situations, coupled with the option to replace tools under the 25-year warranty, makes it a reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike. The black oxide variant, while slip-resistant, received mixed reviews due to the challenge of maintaining its appearance. In conclusion, the Leverman Wave Plus remains a trustworthy and indispensable tool for various needs. Thanks for tuning in to discover the best multi-tool for electricians. I hope you found my top 3 choices helpful. For more details and to grab your own, check out the product links in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe for more tool recommendations and electrician essentials. Stay powered up!